let's talk about how to exit. This is part 4. If you haven't watched the other parts, if you feel called to, go ahead. If you don't, maybe you just need this part. So with that being said, step 1, awareness. You've got to call it out when you're in it. If you can't admit you're stuck, then you're never getting out. You got to realize that there's something that's off. So step 2, you got to disrupt it. Do the opposite of what the program expects. If you always go left, go right. If you always respond with silence, then speak up. If you always run, sit still. That's chaotic order. You create the break. Step 3, replace the script. Once the loop cracks, you can't just leave a void. You've got to anchor in a new pattern. Choose the thought, the action, the energy you want to repeat. Because if you don't choose, the system will choose for you. That's how you exit awareness, disruption, and replacement. That's how you stop playing Groundhog Day and start writing your own script, which if you're writing your own script, then you're winning the game. And once you do it once, you'll never look at life the same again. Like, I'm gonna use an example that just recently happened to me, that they love running old plays. And it's like, okay. So someone that I use discernment with, because that's a very special gift if you have it. Cut someone out because I read the energy, that the words and the energy and the actions, all 3 were doing and saying something different. So I knew this person was not in alignment with me. We cut them off 143 on that timer, 144. With that being said, we cut her out, came back in, read the words, read the energy, and it's like, yo, this is still off. But then there was another client also. So this is how they're running 2 plays simultaneously. They used one, I declined it. I said, nope, not it. This ain't it. So one, I had clocked, and I said that I would not be hearing from this client again because I shifted timelines back in the beginning of July. So I wasn't gonna hear back from her, which was fine. But then all of a sudden I got a text, and then it clicked. It's because I rejected the first play. I clocked it. So then they set in another one. So I was like, wait, I already clocked this. So why are you trying to run this play on me again? So I'm like, let me test this out. And I responded in a different manner than I normally would. And I waited. No response. So me responding in a different way clocked the pattern and took it away, because it was an offer that was not in alignment with my highest timeline and or my frequency. So the matrix will try to bait you back and pull you back. But if you're present, aware, catching your signs, you could spot the loop before it comes, and you could break the fuck out of it and collapse the timeline. So if you like what I'm sharing, follow the rabbit hole, give me a like. Definitely subscribe to my YouTube first, because I don't know, this might flag them again, flag me again, but I'm gonna throw in here, hey, this is for entertainment purposes, just having a story time. So take what resonates, leave the rest, and follow me on YouTube.